guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be reorganizing this pantry as well as cleaning it. We need to get rid of all those items that are already expired, and we are also going to restock. But before we restock, we're actually going to do this a little bit backwards. I'm going to first clean it out, fill up all the containers that are empty, and then I'm going to check or double check what are the items that I'm going to need, so that way I don't have to rebuy items that I already had in here. So let's get some motivation together. If you are new here, welcome. Here you will find a lot of cleaning motivation, a lot of recipe ideas. This is a lot of a mom lifestyle videos. So if you are interested on any of that type of videos, if you want a lot of motivation, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family, and also turn on your bell notifications so that way you can be notified when I upload new videos. You don't want to miss any of this motivation and mommy lifestyle.
Boy, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop.
I wanted to try something new this time, and instead of taking everything out of the pantry, I'm going to do it in sections. I feel like this is going to be a little bit less overwhelming. I used to take out every single thing from the pantry out on the kitchen, on the countertops, and then at the end, I will reorganize everything. But as you guys can see, I am really blessed to have a walking pantry, but sometimes this can be ups or downs. Like, I'm really blessed that I do have a big pantry, but at the same time, it's like extremely big to the point where sometimes I end up with empty spots. Or sometimes it's easier for us to get more clutter into the pantry because we know there's a space in here. And so I feel that instead of taking out everything in the kitchen, I'm going to do it in sections. I'm just going to take out half. As you guys saw, I did took out all of like the clear jars, and so that way I can restock them. And then I did started cleaning one area, and then once I was done with that area, I will reorganize everything. I will still follow the same system that I have for several years already, but I do love to see it a little bit different. I don't like to see them all in the same area, and at the same time I was trying to take out all of the items that are expired. And obviously my husband and my kid had to do their appearance on this organizing video.
So baby, I'm gonna stay right here.
Following day, and now I have to go through all my bulk items that I had in here that are extras, so I can fill up all of the jars that are empty and then see what I need, so that way I can go grocery shopping and I won't buy extras from the things that I've already had in here.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
This time around, I was actually taking my time to reorganizing the whole entire pantry. I do follow the system a little bit more Pinterest inspired. I would actually wanted to say that I do have an aesthetic pantry, but that is not the reality. I try my best to keep it aesthetic, but I also have to be realistic with making sure that my kids also know where the items are. I know I've been wanting to put labels on all of the jars, but I'm just procrastinating on that area, that it's making it really hard for the boys, at least with all like the flowers, because I do keep one with all the all-purpose flour, and then the other one has like the pancake flour, and you guys know that those two flours are similar, so it's really hard for them. They do try to go with the sizes, but they forget which one it's on which jar, so I really need to work on those labels. I do have my machines to do the labels. It's just me procrastinating and not taking the time to do the labels. That is actually has to be my top priority right now on my to-do list. At the beginning of the year, I started implementing a little bit more of a minimal lifestyle, that I got rid of pretty much 80% off my kitchen items, my utensils, my plates, my cups, my mugs. I got rid of a lot of mugs. I actually did share that with you guys on my Spanish channel. If you know Spanish, I will link that video down below in case you guys are interested. And that's why you see all of my cookie cutters and like my cakes and all of the bakery items in the pantry, because I did clear a lot of drawers in the kitchen. We are gonna have a big project in the kitchen that we're actually trying to get rid of the pantry and replace it in another area. And I'm literally trying to minimize on a lot of things in the kitchen, but this is working well. At the beginning, I did had everything on this area, at least like the bakery items, but then you will see throughout the video that I did switch things around. I was just trying to get everything a little bit more realistic for us and being more open wide so that the kids are able to see what we have in the pantry, because they do help me with the kitchen a lot. I do try to teach them how to cook. I only have boys, boys, but they still have to learn how to cook, and having everything visual for them, it's easier for them to see. And that's why I literally have to work on my labels, and that has to be a promise for myself that I have to work on those. Another thing that I love, and I'm actually really happy that I did implement this system in my pantry, it's all of this mason jars. I love acai bowls, and I love to have a lot of variety when it comes to granolas and all of the banana chips. I love banana chips, and I had it to be able to see what I have. I just love the mason jars. This method, it's working really well for me. It could also help you with your pantry organization. If you have a small pantry, having a lot of containers that are clear, glass, or plastic, whichever route you'll go, it's going to help you a lot, because if you don't use labels, at least you are able to see what you have in the jars. And in here, my son was actually helping me with giving me everything back. I was just trying to get everything settled in the pantry, because it is time to go to the store, get all of the items that are missing, restock on all of like the snacks for the kids. And I'm actually going to purchase 2 more baskets that I will share with you guys. Now that everything is organized, since we did everything backwards, the pantry, it is organized, but now it is time to restock. So we're gonna go grocery shopping. We're gonna go get all the bulk items and the snacks and other stuff, and then we are going to stack up all the items that are empty, finish adding more items that are in the empty spots, and I will show you guys the end result at the end. And this is the end result. I am really pleased with how it came out. I still need to put the labels, but I am really happy how I reorganized everything. You guys saw that I did move the things over and over and over until I was happy with how it looks. Again, I would love to see mine a little bit more aesthetic, but it is realistic for me, and I kind of love the way it looks. The baskets that you guys saw at the beginning, I did purchase those baskets at Walmart for less than $10. They were really nice. I did replace them with 2 of them, so that way I didn't have to bring more items into my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Become part of the family. If you made it all the way to the end, that means that you loved my content. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate all your love and support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.